Welcome to your inside look at the AEPS-3 Complete Kit for the Assessment, Evaluation, and Programming System for Infants and Children 3rd Edition. This short video will introduce you to the many components included in the kit. Your AEPS-3 Complete Kit comes packaged in a sturdy box, perfect for storing all of your AEPS-3 materials. On the front flap, you'll see a list of all of the pieces included in the kit. When you open your Complete Kit, you'll first see an AEPS-3 Welcome Guide. This short guide has information about the kit contents, the AEPS-3 system, training options, and links to FAQs, state alignments, and more. Next, you'll find the 5 AEPS-3 volumes. The first volume is the User's Guide. This book has a complete overview of the AEPS-3 linked system, guidance on using AEPS-3, and a summary of the research. Volume 2 is the Assessment volume. In this book, you'll learn about test administration and scoring, assessment activities, and the new Ready Set assessment. There's also a full list of all test items and criteria organized by area. Volumes 3 through 5 are the AEPS-3 curriculum. This new activity-based curriculum is divided into 3 levels. Volume 3 is the beginning level, which includes foundational skills that typically developing children acquire in the first year to 18 months of life. Volume 4 is the growing level, which covers skills that typically appear during the toddler years from 18 months to 3 years of age. And Volume 5 is the ready level, which covers more complex developmental and early academic skills that are considered important for school success. Each book has tiered teaching strategies for 18 activities and routines, such as art, mealtime, and outdoor play. Each book has a skills matrix that shows how AEPS-3 test items align with the curriculum levels and activities. The foundational steps are also included here. The kit includes 10 child observation data forms. These forms are shrink-wrapped in sets of 5 and are used to record the results of an AEPS-3 assessment. Next, you'll find 10 AEPS-3 Ready Set forms, which are also shrink-wrapped together. The AEPS-3 Ready Set will provide a snapshot of a child's school readiness skills and should be used with 4- and 5-year-old children. The kit also includes 10 AEPS-3 family report forms, which also come shrink-wrapped together. These forms are designed to be completed by families to gather general family information and specific details about a child's daily routines and activities. Inside your AEPS-3 kit, you'll also find the AEPS-3 Quick Reference Guides. These 9 convenient guides provide the AEPS-3 test items and criteria in a format that's easy to use on the go. Each of the 8 areas has a color-coded guide, and there's one for the Ready Set. And the last piece inside the kit is an AEPS-3 Forms USB packaged in a clear storage box. This is a small but very important piece of the kit. On this USB, you'll find printable PDFs for all AEPS-3 forms in both English and Spanish. The USB also includes family handouts and quick reference guides in English and Spanish, and assessment activities and planning forms. We hope that you find the AEPS-3 helpful in assessing, setting goals, planning teaching and intervention, and monitoring progress for the children in your program. To learn more about the online system AEPSI or training options, visit aeps.fyi/welcome. And be sure to sign up for our free AEPS newsletter to stay up to date on all things AEPS.